Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to paste an Excel spreadsheet into Microsoft Word. If you want to include tables, reports, or data from Excel in your Word documents, this tutorial is for you. On your Microsoft Excel dashboard, let's say you have a spreadsheet and you want to paste it into Word. All we need to do is select the rows and columns we want to copy. Once we have selected them, we right-click and choose Copy. Once we do that, we go over to Microsoft Word. In Word, we right-click on the page and choose a Paste option. There are a few different paste options available. You can use destination styles based on your preference, or simply press Ctrl+V on your keyboard. If you need a specific cell, just select it. From there, we can adjust and edit the cells directly in Microsoft Word. This makes it easy to transfer or embed Excel data into Word while keeping the formatting intact. And that's it. Now we know how to paste an Excel spreadsheet into Microsoft Word.